secrets on how to get them to bloom and how to get them to last. So enough talk, let's get to it. So let's take a look at this white one. This is absolutely stunning. Comes in a big, huge pot, and you can see this is $9.99. That's right, $9.99 for this beautiful big pot. Look at it right there. You can see there is some missing areas here, and that's because this mum was overwatered. And that's the thing, you don't want to overwater your mums. That is the way to make them soggy and that not look good. So again, don't overwater your mums. We have this one, there's a box one, and this comes in a box, and I'll take it out right here. And this is a beautiful arrangement right there. Beautiful arrangement. A box, and that's for $17.98. And you can see it has a different color. It's in the same color scheme, red, but this is fuchsia, and this is a kind of pinkish, rusty color. So that is absolutely beautiful. And this also is a more contrasting color. This is a deep ruby where it's orange and yellow. And I absolutely love this color because it's giving me so much fall vibes. So much fall vibes. Oops. Put that back right there. And this one again is $17.98, and it comes in 3 mums. 3 mums are in here, small mums, and it comes in a basket. Absolutely beautiful. And we have this huge basket right here again for $17.98. But this one is a round one. If you want more of a round one on your patio, and it's the same color scheme, that fall color scheme that we have right there. I'll give you a wider variety. And further up, we have hanging baskets. We're going to make our way over there. Now, this one is spectacular. This is giving me Valentine's. This is giving me more February vibes. This is a rich burgundy color, and this comes in an orange pot, nicely round. And this one is $19.98. Now, this one is fuller, and you can see that there's still buds all around this mum, and that's a good sign because you want to get a mum that has some flowers open and some flowers closed. That means when these flowers start to die, the rest will be opening, and that will give you a longer season. And this one also nice and red. I like this color more and more Valentine's. This one is a deeper blood red, but you can't beat that. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm giving you another bird's eye view of this mum, $19.98. Now this one has a handle, and this one is like so colorful and so heavy. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. And this one also is $19.98. Now, you may want to get this one, but later on, I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't get a mum like this, because this is definitely eye-catching. It's all full, but you want to avoid a mum like this because I'm going to tell you a little later, but we're going to continue our tour. This one is, let's see, $19.98. And this one also comes in a pot, $19.98. And this one is really full and round. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And this one also is $19.98. So guys, tell me, which one do you like? Do you like the white ones with the light yellow in the middle, or do you like the whole yellow mums? I like the yellow ones because I think they stand out when it comes to just patios and just overall standing out. But here are some more mums. A light pink one, again a burgundy, standard mums. And I particularly like the ones that are round. They just keep giving all year round. Now this one is a little different because this one is more of a fall type of mum. And you can see that it is variegated, has different types of bicolor. There's the yellow in the middle and then the orange petals at the edge. Absolutely beautiful. Now these bigger ones are $26.98. and they're double the size of the ones that are 19. Like this is huge, 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 huge. And I think I'm going to take it down so I can show you, or maybe I'll take this one down. Very, very big. 2 of these you can put at your doorstep, and they will definitely be a showstopper. Right there. Guys, look how big that is. Look how big that is. That is huge. And that is $26.98. Now, some of them are $34. And I think this one, let's check to see how much this is. I think this one may be 34 instead of 26 because it is so big. Yes, and you can see that it's in a nice decorative black pot. Really, really nice. And we have some hanging baskets of mums right above, right there. And the hangers are $26.98. The ones that come that you hang are $26.98. These ones right here are $34.98. So we're going to continue to make our way down. And these are a little bit on the more affordable side, $14.98, all white. It comes in this really cute burgundy basket. And if you want something more rustic, you can take this one that's more of a barrel basket, and that is also $14.98. So I'm gonna just show you what they have here. So they have a variety of mums in all different sizes and colors. Now guys, when it comes to mums, this is what I was talking about. Obviously, lots of people go for something like this, right? They go for something like this. But this is not what you want to get. You want to get something like this. Why? Because this will last longer. Yes, it doesn't have any blooms right now, but mums, it doesn't take them long to grow. It takes them maybe a week or even a couple of days. So if you want the best of both worlds, you want to get a mum like this. You want to get a mum that has blooms and buds. Why? Because it will last longer. If you get one like this, after a while, in a couple of, maybe weeks, it will start to get old, and then you can't enjoy it as much. You want it to continue throughout the season. So you want to get ones with both buds and open and closed buds. If you want the best, you want to get ones with all closed buds and just a teeny bit of open buds. Why? Because this will last several weeks as opposed to this. Now, the reason why you don't want to get a mum that's fully open is because you don't know how long it's been here. So it could have been here maybe for 2-3 weeks, and now you bring it home, and after a couple of weeks, it's starting to die because it's already old in the store. So that is a hack that you want to remember. Don't get ones that are fully open because you want to enjoy them for the most of the season. So we're going to go and give you another look. This one is $5. And I particularly like these smaller mums because you can place them in different areas. When you get these big mums, it's just one area that you can place them in. But these mums, they grow really fast and really big. So if you want a lot of them, you can get the smaller pots and just spread them around in your garden. Now, when it comes to mums, don't overwater. Make sure, what I do is I make sure I water, and then I make sure it goes dry. So I only water when it goes dry, and then I water again. Mums don't like to be in wet, soggy soil. So if you get them in wet, soggy soil, this is what it starts to look like. Their leaves start to droop, and then the flower starts to droop. And you can tell when these mums are overwatered. Uh-oh, a bee's coming to me. Okay, you can tell when these mums are overwatered. Uh-oh, this bee's gonna, right here. This mum has been overwatered. Why? You can see all the wet leaves. And you can see how droopy that looks. Yeah. Look at it. It's been overwatered. Look, all the water is coming out, and that's what it looks like. It starts to get really droopy and sad. So don't overwater your mums. Let them dry out and then water. This mum is $6.98, and this is really nice. In the next couple of days, all of that will be full. And I'm going to be having a video of how to plant these mums and how to get them to keep thriving. Because most mums, unfortunately, if you live in a colder climate, they don't come back. They are treated like annuals. But I have a way to treat them as perennials. And for the last 3 years, I've had my mums for the last 3 years. And I will show you how to do that. Now we got some tropicals right here. Hello, how are you? And yes, hi. Shopping for flowers, huh? No?
No. Okay.
Yes.
Wait, do I need to hold it up?
No. Yes, thank you. Beautiful mums, aren't they?
They are.
They are.
Boy, mums are so expensive.
Yeah, they are. Before they weren't. Now they're like
They
the
used
thing.
to be, I don't know when they were $3.
Oh wow,
3
now
for 10.
and now they're like $20.
Oh yeah.
But you get such a wide variety of mums, right?
And you know what? I don't even at the end of the season, it probably will die. But at least save the put that in your soil.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But there's a way to bring them back.
Oh really?
Yes.
Well, some of them maybe. Yeah, some of them they used to be
Yeah.
cold hardy.
They were.
They used to be cold hardy.
You have to find the ones that are cold hardy.
I know. Well, sometimes they have nuts.
Yeah.
But I don't think they have.
Yeah, there's a way.
Is there a way? What's your way?
It's in my video. I'll let follow the determined gardener. You'll find out.
The determined gardener.
Yeah, the determined gardener. Thank you.
Determined gardener. One tip for me. There's sustainable peat moss here.
Oh,
You're not
okay.
depleting peat moss.
Oh, sustainable peat moss.
Yep.
Okay.
Determined gardener.
Yes, the determined gardener. Thank you. See, we're always trying to help people here. Always trying to help some people garden. Sustainability, very important these days. So again, guys, that was really fun, wasn't it? Yes, she doesn't know, but I will be showing you how to bring these mums back because there is a way. She is right. Lots of times these mums are not cold hardy, but that's because you don't know my secret. So I'm going to be doing a video, so stay tuned for that. But this is another beautiful mum. This is $9.98. You can see right there. And the smaller pot is $3. And I like these pots too, because again, you can put them in different areas and they will grow huge. $4.98. And last but not least, we got these pots right here for $12.98. And we got the pumpkins right here. And guys, look how cute that is. If you're in the Halloween spirit or you want to just make an impression or just say, wow, look at that. How cute is that? That is $26.98. And there's that witch that just couldn't get enough. She's stuffed in that mum and it's just so adorable. Definitely giving me Halloween vibes. And guys, look at these decorative pumpkins, $14.98. You have an array of decorative pumpkins, the white one, the orange ones. Oh, they're so beautiful. And you can make a beautiful arrangement on your patio, in your garden. They just have a whole bunch of sizes. And look at how cute this one is. These are all $14.98. And they're very textured. You can see some round ones like this one. They're heavy, but they're absolutely beautiful. All $14.98. And you have the regular pumpkins, just like the Halloween pumpkins, and you have these decorative ones right here. Look guys, you got the small ones for $9.98, these small orange ones, and you got the white ones, and you can't go wrong without the single straw. So your whole decorative arrangement is complete. $14.98 the straw. And this one is $12. So this one has decorative arrangements, the ribbons and some flowers, and this one is just plain. And I think it's like almost 20 feet tall. It's absolutely beautiful. $19.98 and $12. And this one is the bagged ones. I showed you the ones that's single, but it comes in a bag. and you get like 6 of them in a bag for $9.98. Different arrangements. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends, and watch out for that next video that I'll be sharing my secret on how to get these mums to come back. Wow, take a look at that. Beautiful, $34.98. And that one right there. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. Stay tuned for next video because I have lots more gardening tips.